morning. Today is Friday, February 7th. What an exciting morning jobs report came out this morning, and the market's opened up considerably higher. And I just want to take you through the two trades that I told you about yesterday, okay? First one we're going to look at is American Express, AXP. Remember I told you we bought this market right in here, but instead of buying the underlying, we bought the call option, okay? So let me just show you exactly. Just took a rather smaller position, but you'll see that right in here, the American Express trade. Let's see, my window is kind of small, so I'm going to try to get it in there for you. AXP, right, the March 21, bought it at 82.5, right, the strike price. Well, what did we buy it at? We bought that at $3.43. You see that? Well, let's see if I can get that in. Yeah, $3.43, and it's at 505 right now. All right, let me just circle that for you. You can see that. So remember, we bought the in the money, right? At $3.43 right here. Right now it's at 505. So that's not bad, right? 505 right now. And then if you recall, the first trade we put on a couple days ago is Mastercard, right here. Mastercard bought the March 21 expiration, deep in the money, right? 70 strike price. Bought that at $4.90 here, and right now it's at $6.17. Not a bad return for what you're putting up for that, right? So let's just go back real quick to the charts. All right, so again, this is American Express. It's opened up higher, as you can see. All right, opened up higher, bought it down here, bought the call option. It's almost doubled. Well, not almost double, but again, 343 to 505. I got a $1.80 into that right now, and what we're going to do is we're going to measure from the high it came down off of to this low, and look at where we're at right now. We're at the 38.2% retracement of that drop, right, from this high down to this low. Okay, we're at the 38.2 right now, so might look to make some profit in here, take a little bit off, we'll see. But that is the first level where you take something off if you trade multiple contracts, right? If you trade multiple calls or if you trade in the stock, it doesn't really matter. So that's American Express. Look at Mastercard. Mastercard's looking good, right? That's making a pop as well. The call option, again, is what we bought that at $4.90. It's at $6.17 right now. So not a bad little move to the upside. We're going to watch this and see if the market can sustain this this rally that we're having right now. The market's only been open for 14 minutes, so we want to watch it close to see if we can sustain the move. If the market's unable to fill the gap, the overall market, then I would expect the market to go a lot higher actually today. But we'll see. We still got about a half hour to see. But look, I want to measure from the high that Mastercard came down off of, right? This high, right? Down to this low. Look at it, 38.2% retracement is right here. So we got a little ways for the market to reach up to that level, right? That's about 76.67. That's about a point higher than it is right now. So things are looking not bad there. Let's take a look real quick at, all right, this is the S&P 500, the E-mini futures contract, and you can see that the market opened up higher, right? This is where it closed yesterday. We opened up here. We've run up nicely. Again, what helps set the tone of the day is that first half hour to 45 minutes. So the jobs report came in good. Market has opened up considerably higher. We've got some steam behind it a little bit here. But what we want to do is we want to pay attention to the low of the day, right? If the market's able to take out the low of the day here in the next 20, 25 minutes, then there's a good chance that the market's going to try to fill that gap, right? Back down to yesterday's high and then potentially close that gap completely. So we want to watch this very closely, okay? If the market is unable, okay, to fill that gap or come down to the low and we continue up through the high, I believe today will be a strong up day, but only if that scenario plays out. Again, if the market comes down and starts to penetrate down through today's low, then we could try to fill that gap, and I would not expect a huge up move today. Okay, so hope that helps. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll be back with you on Monday. Bye for now.